Turmeric is an ancient spice celebrated for its medicinal properties. Packed with polyphenols and other bioactive compounds, turmeric is a versatile powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting overall wellness. Turmeric's key active compound, curcumin, is responsible for its wide-ranging therapeutic effects. Turmeric is a nutrient-rich food that provides essential vitamins and minerals. Here's what 100 grams of turmeric contains. Energy, 390 kilocalories. Saturated fat, 3g cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Calcium, 0.2 g phosphorus, 0.26 g sodium, 10 milligrams. Potassium, 2,500 milligrams. Iron, 47.5 milligrams. Thiamine, 0.9 milligrams. Riboflavin, 0.19 milligrams. Niacin, 4.8 milligrams. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 50 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 69.9 g. Dietary fiber, 21 g sugars, 3 g protein, 8 g health benefits of turmeric brain health. Curcumin may help slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease by reducing oxidative stress and preventing the buildup of protein plaques in the brain. Diabetes management. Curcumin enhances insulin sensitivity and regulates enzymatic reactions, making it a powerful ally for those managing diabetes. Studies suggest its effects rival some prescription medications. Heart health. Research indicates that turmeric supports cardiovascular health by protecting against heart failure, cardiac toxicity, and stroke. It also mitigates symptoms linked to diabetes-related heart conditions. Immune support. Turmeric's antiviral properties help combat conditions like cold sores and the flu, boosting overall immunity. Weight management. Curcumin reduces inflammatory markers in fat tissue, aiding in obesity prevention and management. Cancer prevention. Turmeric has shown promise in slowing the proliferation of cancer cells, particularly in prostate cancer, by promoting controlled cell death. Mental health. Curcumin has been found to alleviate symptoms of major depressive disorder by modulating neurobiological substances in the brain. Joint and muscle health. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric helps relieve joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation, though more research is needed for medical application. Digestive aid. Turmeric aids digestion by regulating stomach acidity, enhancing mucus production, and supporting protein breakdown. It also alleviates symptoms of indigestion and boosts metabolism. Wound healing. Curcumin accelerates wound healing and provides protection against radiation damage by inhibiting protein kinase activation. How to use turmeric. Turmeric's vibrant yellow color and distinct flavor make it a popular spice in culinary dishes, often used in powdered form for seasoning or as part of curry blends. It's also used as a natural pigment in dairy products to mimic banana or lemon flavors. For maximum health benefits, combine with black pepper and olive oil. These enhance curcumin absorption. Storage. Keep turmeric in a cool, dry place to preserve its active properties. Precautions. While turmeric is a natural remedy with numerous benefits, excessive consumption can lead to side effects. Individuals with chronic illnesses or those taking multiple medications should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric into their regimen to avoid potential interactions. From supporting brain health to managing diabetes and reducing inflammation, turmeric is a remarkable superfood with immense potential. Whether as a spice or a supplement, this golden root deserves a place in your daily routine for its powerful health-boosting properties. Thank you for watching. Your time and interest means so much to us. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.